Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and this is continuing off the RPG toolbar tutorial video, but in this one we're going to be making the dialog box. Yes. So this is gonna be fun. It's not that difficult, so let's get right into it. Luckily, this thing right here, we already have this, which is the same thing. So where is it? It's this one. Okay, main, let's call this main. I'm gonna copy this. If you have not watched the last video, go ahead and check it out. Make sure you guys check out our store, gfxcomment.com. We now have studio imported products. Well, we have one, but we have a lot more coming soon, so yeah, just check it out. We have some free stuff, some UIs, graphics packs. Just check it out for yourself, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. So you will learn how to make this asset right here. Okay, so let's start off by making a new layer, right? And we're gonna use our rounded rectangle tool. Okay, I'm gonna have the radius at 1, color it black, go to fill, hit the black box, make sure that is clicked and the stroke is off for now, and we're just gonna make this little rectangle. Okay, we're going to double click, select this color on the corner. Okay, and now we're gonna go back to the rectangle tool and we're gonna turn stroke on. So click on stroke, hit this button, click right here, and now we're select on a little color. Actually, let's keep it off. We're gonna do our stroke in a different way. So let's copy the rounded rectangle. So hold Alt, drag it down, let go, right click, blending options, let's hit stroke, make it like 2, I would say, and right here we're just gonna add this. Okay, that's cool. You go bevel and emboss. Not sure if that'll be a good idea, but maybe. Alright, we're just gonna hit OK. Actually, I forgot, you could add a little drop shadow. It seems like there's one. Actually, we'll make that later. Okay, so now we have to make the button, which is probably going to be the most difficult part. But right now I'm just gonna take this. I kind of resized it a bit too much, but let's redo that. Right here, let's move it right here. Okay, so we have this so far. Now let's make the button. We're gonna have to do this step by step. Okay, alright, let's start on this button right here. Let me think how we should make this right here. Alright, I think I have an idea. Okay, make a new layer. Let's use rounded rectangle. Okay, let's take this shape. Let's make this big so we can resize it later on. Alright, okay, so double click, we're gonna select a color, say this color, right click, let's go into blending options, let's add an inner shadow. Alright, just copy my settings. I don't really want to explain it because I'm trying to figure this out myself as well, so yeah. Bevel and emboss. Alright, so I guess something like this. Make this into overlay and also overlay here. I think that's kinda similar. Maybe just move this a little bit like this, I think. We change the contour. See what we got. Alright, I think I'm just gonna do this right here. I think this one is alright. Go like this. There you go. Chisel hard. Oh yeah, go chisel hard. And it'll go like this. Okay, just go like right here. Cool. Alright, now let's copy this layer, Control J. Take the FX, drag it to the trash can, so it is now gone. We're gonna Control T, and let's resize this shape to only this area, right? Now we're gonna turn our fill all the way down. And now double click, blending options, let's do outer glow. Color is gonna be white, like that. Let's turn spread up. Go mode overlay, like this. Now let's do inner shadow. And as you can see, it is starting to take shape very slowly. Or maybe you don't have to do overlay. Just do this little color. Alright, that's cool. Now let's select both of these. Control G, Control J, hide this one, right click this top one, convert to smart object. Pen tool, make a new layer, right click, create clipping mask, fill, on, color white. We're just gonna make a little curve like this, complete the shape. Let's go overlay mode right here. There we go. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna add a texture. I want to see how it looks. So, if this looks bad, I'll remove it. But let's see. Soft light. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? It's alright. Okay. Okay, now we gotta do. So we have the main part of the bun done. Right here. Now for the gold trim, I'm just gonna take a little shortcut. I'm gonna copy and paste this apart. So we make a copy of this. Control E, right click, and paste. Alright. And take this button. Let's just place it right here. I think it looks pretty good. This whole thing looks pretty consistent with each other. Although one thing, there's like a little glow, so on the main layer, if you new layer, right click clipping mask, brush tool, color blue, like this. Go up top, paint like a little blue thing. Wrong one actually, right here. So like this, drop it down. And here you guys go. You got yourself a nice little RPG dialog box. It looks super clean, if you ask me. So right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like. Stay tuned for more content, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace out.